there we go. All right, ignore the dirty car, bro. I'm gonna be hella rusty at this, bro. All right, the car right now, it's filthy. Ignore that, ignore that. We're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix that today, all right? It has been an absolute minute. This is actually the first video that I am recording once again. I do believe I will film a video, though, that I will post before. This one to kind of bait you guys a little bit. You know, I had to do it. Call me a masturbator, bro. But here we are in the 8.6, bro. God, bro, I really wish I was uploading more during the ownership of this car, because I gotta be honest, we missed some greatness here. The car's tuned on E85, hence why I didn't start the first time, but it's no biggie. It always starts the second. Honestly, I'm recording this at the time without seeing what the response is to the first video. Obviously we haven't uploaded in years, so I totally, I just want to say right away, I totally expect to take a hit in viewership. I think the first video back's gonna hit like maybe 200 views, maybe. But I don't care. I just want to have fun filming car shit with my friends again. So, you know, hey, I really am curious to see how the videos do, though. At the same time, I also did tell Brandon, I think we can still pull a rack on the video, bro. I went back and watched the videos, even though I uploaded like 2.5 years ago. My voice is completely different. I don't know if it's like, I don't know if I got like a Call of Duty accent or something. Once again, like, ignore how dirty the car is, by the way. We're fixing this today. The car's been sitting for a fat second, so I'll explain more. I'm gonna pull this into the garage, though. We're gonna be working on this today. I got a special guest pulling through. You guys might know him. Oh God, bro, I had the battery disconnected, so my throttle response is just it's simply not there. All right, I guess we're going for a little drive. You know, I didn't quite make the turn. Maybe that second. Little second gear shenanigans. I ain't got the seatbelt on, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this is like the second time that this car has moved in like last like 3 weeks. Like I said, man, it's been sitting. All right, it's been sitting. All right, I imagine a lot of you are probably, I do imagine a lot of you guys are probably curious what I've done to the 8.6, just because we never really showcased it on the I almost said on the stream, bro, because we never really showcased it on the channel. Pull this bit into the driveway. As you guys, I'm sure you guys know from a bunch of other car YouTubers that you guys watch, California is literally the worst place to be a car person by a mile. And a lot of you guys probably don't know this, but our car channel was under the microscope pretty much for our local police station for the longest time, obviously because of a bunch of stupid shit that we did as teenagers, which, like, I understand, hey, we might have been a little bit over the top with some of our parking garage runs. You know, people's batteries were dying because the alarms were setting off. I get that, it's an inconvenience, my bad, but I don't regret it one bit. It was a ton of fun. I don't think we ever really got into the severity of it or talked about it on the channel at all, because we were a little bit scared to talk about it. Anyways, not to get sidetracked, yeah, pretty much our local police station back in the day made it super hard to upload our typical, I want to say, JSR content. We were definitely under the microscope, and you know, it was a little scary. You know, as a 19-year-old that's you know, is just starting college or whatever, the last thing you want is for the police to come to your house and sit you down and talk to you along with your parents as well. So that wasn't very fun back in the day. I don't know if I ever explained that on the channel, but pretty much the cops came to my house. They had a talk. They threatened to fine us like $40,000 for some BS, bro. They were pretty much paying a whole department to watch our videos to make sure, you know, that they could kind of spot every stupid thing that we did, and they were gonna try to, you know, try to give us, they were gonna try to like throw the book at us for every little thing we did back in the day. So that was a little scary. Hey, yo, JSR Cat, say what's up to the vlog. Also, another thing, obviously, it's definitely way more sad, but unfortunately, we did lose JSR Cat. But I figure if some of you guys don't follow me on Instagram, maybe you didn't know that, but I figured I'd share that here. But anyways, that happened probably about 2 years ago, I want to say. So say hello to the little JSR kitty right here. Little kitty, probably about 7 months old. And then we have JSR kitty number 2 right here. A little bit more sketchy, it's okay. All right, we got this wheel right here. Obviously, this is the set of wheels that some of you guys might be familiar with. That's on my 8.6. So, yeah, we got this right here. You might be wondering how I was just driving the car with these wheels on. This is actually the 5th wheel that I got. Technically, I as of this moment, I currently have ownership of about 6 of these wheels. Did I get scammed? Yeah. Did I get scammed twice? Yeah. It's fine. It's fine, though. Let me explain, all right? So, pretty much, I was driving the other day, and I actually sold my stock wheels a long time ago, so I only have one set of wheels, which is these wheels. And my sidewall just blew the up on me, bro. It's crazy. All of a sudden the rear starts hopping. It was insane. So of course I had to order a spare wheel because it absolutely actually I thought it fucked my wheel up. It actually didn't. So pretty much when I was looking at my wheel at night, it looked like it was just completely squared and like shredded and like splitting, but that actually ended up just being the sidewall that was stuck to the tire. So I let the car sit. I ordered another wheel because I thought I needed a new wheel, but it turns out I should have looked at it in the daylight. So the car kind of sat for like 2 weeks for no reason, but I ended up ordering a spare wheel from the website, the same wheels that I got in the car, obviously, so that way we can match. And yeah, they just took my money, bro. I ain't gonna count. They just straight took my shit. Didn't hear anything from him for about 3 weeks, so if you're thinking about ordering from hardmotion.com, I'd probably advise against it. It's weird though, because they delivered my first set of wheels just fine, bro. They worked with me great back then, and then they said, yoinky, we taking your bread. Hey, we finna finesse the PayPal system, we getting our bread back, don't worry. So you're probably wondering how I got scammed the second time. So this wheel right here was ordered off eBay, and it had like 2-day shipping, so I was like, bro, we're just gonna cop that up, we're gonna scoop it up. Ad said, you know, it had all the right specs, 18-inch, 8.5 wheels, 33 offset, 5x100 lug pattern. That ended up not being 5x100 lug pattern. And I didn't know until I got a tire mounted on it, and I tried to put it on the car. That is not 5x100, so yeah, the ad lied to me. It is what it is though. I think we did manage to finesse a return on this, so we're gonna be shipping this later in the week in a different video. We're gonna be shipping it back, we're gonna be getting our bread back. But car's looking very rough. As you guys know, the shit was red earlier. We still gotta finish that. We gotta finish unwrapping it. That's a lot of what we're doing today. Also later today, like I said, we do have a guest coming over that you guys might know. We're gonna be throwing my stock exhaust back on the car, as well as my stock trunk. As you guys know, I have a totally thrashed carbon fiber trunk right now, so we're gonna be fixing that. If you guys have ever taken off a wrap, you know that this is literally a necessity. We got the heat gun right here. All right, guys, I burned my finger on the heat gun. Things aren't looking too good. My boy did say he was gonna pull up around 10 o'clock. It is now 1:04. Still nowhere to be found, so you probably know who it is already. All right, our boy just pulled up. I'm gonna just walk up and act like nothing happened, and like we didn't upload for like 3 years. I'm gonna just see how he reacts to the camera. What'd you say?
Might as well be driving a truck, bro. What the hell is that, bro?
Yo, this dude's driving deep, bro.
I am, dude. Look at the trunk. Hey, yo, pop back in.
Yo, hold up. Yo. How you fit all this in a Miata, bro?
The daily.
It's a daily? Bruh.
Look at that.
Shit, you got a little pump in? You got a little pump in?
A little pump in, bro.
Shit. Okay.
I don't wanna flow.
That's a lot.
That's a lot.
That's a lot of stuff,
let's
bro.
unpack this
might be overkill. Bro, it's like a Christmas present, bro. We don't know what we're gonna get. This shit's been in storage.
If it looks really good, it's gonna look really good with all of this. Okay, you know what I mean?
You know what? We're gonna clean the whole thing, all right? We're gonna clean the whole thing. It's gonna look good. We're gonna unwrap the trunk here. It's gonna be like Christmas, bro. We honestly do not know what to expect here. I mean, it's gonna look. I imagine it's gonna look pretty good. It was secured up there nicely, so. I just realized I haven't told them why we're putting this on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's yep. That's the trunk. Nice. Looks clean to me. I also have the back bar that goes on it in my room somewhere, so it's looking good. Now we just gotta take this one off. All right, to be honest, we're just getting like straight back into the swing of things. We got the carbon fiber trunk off like already. It was pretty boring, so we didn't film any of it, but like this shit's off. Just going to the garbage dump. Yeah, hey, anyone want to buy it though, hit me up, bro. It's pretty scuffed, but you can maybe save it. 50 bucks, but it wouldn't be a JSR video without you know, Robert doing all the work on my car for me. Appreciate that.
Of course, anytime.
Absolute legend for that.
Just normal.
And he's also breaking shit too, so that's
just a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. A little, you know, the license plate bulb, bro. You don't really need it. All right, we got the stock trunk on. It's almost put together. We got the backup camera in. I finally get to use that for the last couple days of ownership of this car. Yeah, it's crazy. It's coming along though. It's getting there. Next up is exhaust. We're gonna be throwing the stock exhaust back on. I am gonna try to finesse my way into selling this car with the catless unequal link header on, because like that's a pain in the ass. You know, I'm not out here trying to do all that, you know. Supposedly with the stock exhaust on, it should sound relatively the same volume as stock exhaust. It'll just have a little bit of a rumble to it, nothing crazy, but yeah, shouldn't be that bad. As you can see, the car's filthy. It's been sitting in dirt, hasn't been washed in forever, so the trunk definitely looks a different color right now. But I'm telling you, once we clean it up, get all nice and shiny with the bead maker. Bro, have you hit your with the bead maker yet?
I'm not yet. No.
You're not hitting it with the bead maker?
I'm hit with the bead maker,
bro. What the hell is wrong with you, man? Bro, this guy doesn't know. He don't know about the bead maker. Yeah. Bro, this guy, he doesn't know. Hold up. You've never hit your with the bead maker, bro.
Hit with the bead
Look at
maker.
that.
Oh, I remember the bead maker.
Yeah, see, he remembers the bead maker. This is the best. I don't know if it's still the best product on the market, but like 4 years ago when I was into this, 100% was. We're gonna have this looking like a mirror, bro. It's gonna be, oh, it's already jacked up. Yo, let's go, dude. Always use your jack stands, bro. We took our lives for granted back in the day. We didn't use any of these.
Not at all.
Yeah, look at us now, though. You know you're making it when you got the jack stand. Well, the stand, no jack. Peace. Oh my God, it's spider web on it. Oh, it's all bad. Oh. There we go. Look at this Yada though. How's the Yada been treating you? Yo?
It's been good. It's been reliable.
You want to tell them how you almost traded it in?
I almost did. I almost bought a second gen VRZ.
Oh, dude. We could have been gang, bro. We could have.
For like a month or two.
Yeah. But pretty much the whole purpose of today is just putting this kind of close to stock so you get some money for it at CarMax, bro. You know what it is. CarMax be offering pretty good. They have like an online appraisal I kind of lowballed the condition of the car, said it was in pretty rough shape, and they were still offering like 18 to 21. So we'll see. I owe like 5 something, so we're gonna get a nice little check, but yeah, and then we're gonna put that towards something else. All right, as you guys saw, me and your boy, we just got done throwing that stock muffler on, bro. You know, I knew that we were throwing the stock muffler on today. I'm just like, I wasn't like just like prepared to drive it with it being quiet now. So like now I'm kind of sad, but like, this thing has a couple days left. It's got a couple days left. Next up on the agenda though is to wash this bit, and once we wash it, should be good to go, boys. Should be good to go here. We'll see, but I know we'll give you guys a little exhaust clip, obviously, with the stock exhaust, and then the only other thing on the exhaust is the unincluded catless header. I think I have a Tomei header on it, as you can see from this sticker. That's just yeah, we're gonna have to use some Goo Gone right there for sure. But all right, we got this thing on the ground. Let's see what it sounds like. Once again, only a catless header on it, and the 85, of course, but we'll see. Can't imagine it's gonna sound much different than stock, so. It's got a little volume to it, nothing crazy. The car's still completely cold. No, you're good. It still has like that Subi rumble to it. It's got the Subi rumble to it, but it's pretty quiet. Definitely a little leaky right there from the header. I don't know, we'll pull it out of the garage. I'm curious to see what it sounds like just driving around, to be honest, but we'll see. I actually had my boy Frankie, he had the same car as this. He actually turned in the CarMax with a full catback system on it, and they didn't ding the price at all, so. Should be too big of a concern. Better than the muffler delete that was on there, that's for sure. That thing, the muffler delete was loud. I'm sure you guys can find some clips somewhere, whether it be on the JSR channel or some other channel of my 8.6. All right, now that we got the stock exhaust pack on, I say we go and we give it a little rip around the neighborhood. A little circle. Oh my God, we got it back, bro. Changed my battery though. The throttle response has been.
Is it better? Oh,
it's got like.
You said it's any better. Yeah, this thing's stock. You want to hear it from the outside?
Yeah, I want to hear it from the outside. So quiet. Yeah, I think it kind of looks wide going down the road a little bit. It kind of sucks, but we're getting rid of it. We're getting something cool, or cooler. I think that joint looked bouncy though. I ain't gonna cap. I got a special guest for you guys.
Oh my God.
Yo!
Cooking chicken.
You cooking chicken? What a cameo. You guys can actually cameo middle-aged ricer. He just keeps going. He just keeps going. Where's this man going? Damn. You're like zero, bro. It's so quiet. It still has like the rumble though. This is exactly what I anticipated, but
Yeah, you can hear that rumble.
yeah. If you just want to park it like on the curb right here. So quiet, bro. That's gonna be so weird to drive for the next couple days. Here's the axle back though. This is literally all I was using, bro. The unincluded headers with just a muffler delete, bro, will get your shit loud, bro. I'm telling you. Oh shit, guys, it's that time of the video. Go on to the wash portion real quick. Hitting it with the foam cannon. Look at that foam, bro.
Yeah.
Look at that foam. He's got the little baby pressure washer right there. That's a pretty good foam for a little baby washer right there. Ooh.
It's messing up my car, bro.
Oh shit, yo, shit kind of glossy. I ain't gonna lie. Bro, it's the bead maker, I'm telling you.
The bead maker. Where's the bead maker?
For the first time in literal months is like actually clean, bro. Look at the deep ass shine, bro. This shit's crazy. I still got some work to do right here with some of the leftover wrap adhesive. Gonna have to heat it up, hit it with the Goo Gone, scrape it a little bit. But we got the trunk looking nice, bro. It matches the paint that was like been absolutely caked with dirt for the last couple months, so that's huge. Stock exhaust back on. Quiet. I'm depressed. It's fine. Successful day so far.